Elon Musk multi-billion-dollar ideas. Before we start, I'd want you to hit that red subscribe button so that you never miss out on any of our videos. Automotive. By many counts, Tesla has thrived during the COVID-19 crisis. The company, which has been dogged by missed production targets in the past, remained profitable amid the pandemic despite a factory shutdown, and expanding rapidly with plans to build 2 additional factories in Texas and Germany, and saw its stock price quadruple to make it the world's most valuable car maker. What is Tesla's mission? Founded in 2003, Tesla is Musk's second project post PayPal and is still one of his most ambitious. Tesla envisions a future of self-driving cars where the majority of people travel by autonomous Tesla vehicles. It's also a future where car owners frictionlessly rent out their vehicles to serve as self-driving cabs while they're not using them. However, production problems have plagued the California-based company, causing delivery delays and raising concerns from some Tesla shareholders. The enormity of the hype around Tesla has made the company an attractive target for short sellers, but the bets have lost more than $20 billion this year as Tesla stocks has more than quadrupled year to date. Why bet on electric vehicles? Expecting electric vehicles to become mass market makes sense. Great Britain and France voted to ban diesel and gasoline auto sales starting in the year 2040. China has said that 20% of cars sold in the country should run some on alternative source of fuel by 2025. GM plans to have 20 electric vehicle models on the road by 2023. Volvo is expected to sell 1 million electric cars by 2025. Global electric vehicles market shared line chart. Bloomberg's growth forecast for electric vehicles over the next several decades. Source: Bloomberg NEF. In this landscape, owning the electric vehicle market begins to look a lot more like eventually owning the entire automobile industry. The promise of Teslas. Today, according to the Department of Labor, Americans pay around $2,100 a year in gasoline and motor oil expenses alone. Freight companies pay as much as $200,000 a year to fuel up each semi. Though electric vehicles like Tesla still rely on the grid for energy, they can help reduce that economic burden. Tesla semi-truck. The Tesla semi-truck reportedly saved drivers up to $200,000 a year on fuel cost. Another distinguishing point of Tesla's is their self-driving technology. We cover other corporations working on autonomous vehicles tech here. The vehicles are equipped with 8 external cameras, 12 ultrasonic sensors, and a radar that are used to generate a model of the surrounding environment. Those models are uploaded to Tesla, where they've studied and compared with millions of hours of footage compiled with other Tesla vehicles.
Hey, you come work for Yandel, these are things you gotta see, my man.
Maybe make a change.
There you go. There you go.
The resulting autopilot technology, available in all 4 Tesla models, enables features like auto steering, self-parking, and summoning. Fully autonomous driving without driver input is not yet available, though Musk said in June that the basic functionality for true autonomy could be placed by the end of 2020. A driver uses a smartphone to summon his car during a rainstorm. However, questions regarding the safety of autonomous driving tech and regulatory approval remain obstacles. For example, Tesla's autopilot system was being used during a fatal crash in 2018. Tesla's rocky history. The Tesla Model 3, Tesla's first true mass-market electric vehicle, became the best-selling electric vehicle globally in March 2020. But getting to that point wasn't easy. Within 48 hours of announcing the Model 3 in March 2016, the car had almost 250,000 pre-orders. That amounted to over $10 billion in potential sales. But delivering on these orders proved to be a problem. Musk promised 1,500 Model 3 units in the third quarter of 2017, up to 20,000 per month by December. In reality, only 260 units were produced in the third quarter. In November 2017, the date for hitting 5,000 Model 3 units a week in production was moved from December to March 2018, and the company sold about 100,000 vehicles that year. Production issues for the Model 3 continued to plague Tesla through 2018. The goal of 5,000 cars a week was finally reached in the last week of June, which required Musk to build a tent in 2 weeks to house an entirely new assembly line, stay at the facility 24/7, and work 120-hour work weeks to help solve production bottlenecks, call employees from other business functions to try and speed up production. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss an amazing video from us.